in the forest again. Studio in the woods, you know. That's what I like to call it. I don't like to call it my office. Office means like work. It's supposed to be fun. It is fun. I like this. So I'm looking at this triangle for 2019. I got book, got public speaking, stage, speaker, talk, and then sort of media-ish, like podcasts, but also courses. Okay? And I'm thinking, how can I sort of combine these and and also get more comfortable with video, which is what I'm doing now. Just be more on stage, just sort of be relaxed, which I am. I'm good. I'm good with being on stage. I'm not really worried about that part. But then I think so. I just now. It's what time is it? It's 7 p.m. on a Saturday night, and you can make your judgment about what I choose to do on my Saturday evening. But this is fun for me. I like this. And also, my wife and son are okay. Here comes the big dog. My wife and youngest son are visiting friends on the other side of the entire country. Of course, the country is an hour away. And my oldest is at his girlfriend, and I'm just hanging in the woods with Pepper. My good studio in the woods here. And this is for me a sign of what I want to do in 2019. I can see these videos as elements of courses that I'm uh, are part of the content. I just did some for the Spark course and how I'm talking about how to get the books done, and then uh, and even sort of motivational on why you're the person to write this book, how creativity, imagination. I mean, even bringing Tony in for Long Life, and how I think being creative, creating, actually helped him give him his longer, more joyous life. So I'm looking to do more stuff like that, and to have that be here in in the woods in my studio. I want this to be my studio, and not necessarily so much where where I'm behind a computer doing screen flows of how to show you how to do Google Docs or KDP or something. So that's my fun for 2019. This is on a Saturday. I think that's kind of relevant. I mean, what do you choose to do? Here you go. Here you go. Here's a question for you. What do you choose to do? You've got an unexpected few hours alone. And what would you do? I mean, I think I'm a total oddball that I'm setting up my studio in the woods and I'm working on videos for my course. I just think that's weird. Shouldn't I be watching basketball and eating garbage food or something? I don't know. This is fun for me. I like this. So that's where I want to bring you with my courses, with my book. I want to step out of our regular daily what we think is normal, like what we think is fun. Maybe that's actually quite relevant. What would you do? You've got a Saturday afternoon free. Let's just say you had big plans, so you canceled everything out. You had big plans, got 4 or 5 hours free. No one's expecting you to do anything. Let's say you have no responsibilities in the world. What would you do? What would you do? So I can't deny it. I mean, here I am. I'm laughing. I can't say that this is not what I want to do because I'm liking this. And also, Pepper gets outside. Pepper's so happy. He's just constantly happy. Every day he's happy. We go in the same woods. He like looks, sniffs under the same logs, and he's a happy guy. That we can learn from. That's what I'm doing on my Saturday evening. All right. Come check out Spark. I'm working on it, getting the course curriculum better. I'm going to get some beta tester students in there real soon, kick the tires, and get this thing rolling. And then we'll see.